Hello, welcome back to Inspire Art Linkings. Today we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful sofa. So grab your pencil and let's get started. Step number 1, start with a basic shape. Draw a large rectangle in the center of your paper. This will be the main seat of the sofa. Make sure the edges are slightly curved to give it a softer look. Step number 2, add the backrest. Draw a smaller rectangle on the top of the first one, leaving some space on both sides. This rectangle should be slightly tilted backward for a more realistic look. Step number 3, sketch the armrests. On each side of the main seat, draw two vertical rectangles. These should be slightly lower than the backrest and wider at the base, stepping as they go up. Step number 4, define the cushions inside the main seat rectangle. Draw two or three vertical lines to indicate separate cushions. Then add horizontal lines for the seat and backrest cushion. Make sure these lines are slightly curved to add depth. Step number 5, add details to the armrests. Draw a curved line on each armrest to represent the padding. You can also add buttons or stitching lines for extra details. Step number 6, draw the legs. Depending on the style of your sofa, draw either short, blocky legs or thin, tapered ones. Make sure they are evenly spaced and proportional to the sofa. Step number 7, enhance the backrest. Add some stuffing by drawing small circles evenly spaced on the backrest. Then connect these circles with straight lines to create a diamond pattern. Step number 8, final touches. Erase any unnecessary line and refine your drawing. Add shading to give your sofa a three-dimensional look. Think about where the light source is coming from and shade accordingly. And there you have it, a beautiful sofa drawing perfect for any art project. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like,